Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I am from New Jersey, South Jersey to be exact. Currently, I am not going into my field placement. I postponed it until January, but my most recent job title was Homeless Mentally Ill Case Manager. But as of tomorrow, I start my new job and I am a case manager for adult partial care, which I'm very excited about. For this course, I hope to get everything and anything I can get out of this course. Studying grief and loss is relevant no matter what future career you go into. It's relevant because people will die. I mean, there's no other way around it. Each day we are closer to that day that we are going to be departing from this earth. So I feel that, no matter what, knowing about grief and loss is only going to benefit the person in the end. There's so much to know about this topic because you will personally go through it, and I'm sure that there will be a client that you work with that will be going through this. So I feel that this topic is very, very relevant no matter what area you work with. I am very much excited about learning about this topic because I feel like there is a lot to learn and different, no matter what age you are, you're going to go through it. So I look forward to working with everybody and, watching your introductions, and I wish everybody the best of luck in this class. And good luck to everybody. Bye.